Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you this real quick. Watch this drop down when I open the door. See it? Did you see it fall? Now, it doesn't want to close. I'll show you something else real quick. Check this door frame out. Whoop, hang on. Simple test. I'll show you a different angle. All right, notice the corner. All right, so this is the bottom right corner. See how it's busted? Top right corner. See how it's cracked? All the way around the front and everything. Bottom left corner, not broken. Still not enough. This one's broken too. All right, you guys, there's a lot of steps to this process. So we're gonna straighten this header up, weld it, and we're gonna replace these doors. And trailer with doors that don't work is more useless than a $2 hoe. See this? This thing's taped on. It's useless. All right, first thing you wanna do is shut the door and make sure the seals fit and everything's good. And they are, both of them. See this line I made? Is even with the door right here. Maybe a little bit over, just a little left of it, but we do not want the new door to pass this line. I broke this off so that you can see. You want to do both of them that way, so the other door will have a line over here somewhere when I close it and mark it. I'll explain everything. All right. Once you've got the door marked where you don't want it to pass, work all these bolts out any way possible. Burn them, remove them, all of them. Release the hinges. We'll get this off too. All right, so we need to weld these in to the top corners up here to make sure it doesn't rock back and forth like as violently as it did. And I'll show you, I gotta measure from corner to corner, from this corner down to this corner here, and then the same this way. That way we can make sure it's square. And then weld them in. All right, you wanna get them all out. All the way around. All right, that one's got one stuck, it's just spinning. I'm gonna have to burn it off. I got the other ones off on this door here. I need to burn that one off, drive it out. And this one's off. And then we'll do the other door off camera. Same exact thing, just burn out all these bolts.
You mean the part where your butt gets up in there?
Are you talking while it's recording?
No.
Stupid.
You gonna get her. Yeah, that happened. You run your dirty hands all over that?
All right, and paint all of them. Get them all. Paint all the hardware. Just got to paint the centers now. Tomorrow we'll weld her up. It's pretty level here because I got it sitting on concrete. And so I pulled the strap, I pulled it over. Let me show you this real quick. Something you're gonna wanna do is park it on something level like this on concrete. That really helps it square up a little bit there itself. Always is always something. There we go. Good as new. All right, now let's get them cleaned up. All right, that's it for the corners. Now, let's build the doors. She's all squared up and straight. I even welded this up. Good morning. Very early. Let's build some doors. Remember, we made marks. So I measured from there to there, and also from there across to here. Let's do the cut line where we cut it. Got help this morning. Experienced help always helps. This is why it's good to have help, otherwise you'd be in and out like 10 times. I'm talking to the phone here. All right, let me get help for you. There you go. All done. You want to show them how it works, Rod, or not? All right. Turnkey done. Now let's go get paid.